So here goes round 2 for the day. We've loaded up the kayaks and we are back out to Sweet Arrow Lake Park. Here we go!
Hey guys, so we have 4 people and 4 kayaks, and we managed to get 2 kayaks on top and still stuff 2 kayaks in the back and 2 backseat passengers barely, and 2 front seat, and my kayak is a 12-foot kayak. So if you're wondering how to transport your kayaks, it's definitely possible. You just gotta finagle it a little. Bella in the Wave 60, Mommy's in the Tamarack. What's yours?
Mine's the Lifetime.
The Lifetime what?
Something.
Whoopsie. So we made it out on the lake. I'm in the Cabela's Advanced Angler 120 12-foot kayak. It's the first time on the water. We're just doing a basic test today. We're not going to do a review or anything. That's going to be a separate video. We got Lena in the Lifetime Blitz that we did a review on. Mommy's in the Lifetime Daylight, I believe, and Bella's in the Lifetime Wave 60. So we're gonna paddle around a little bit, see how everybody likes it, but so far so good. No one's having any real issues. Mine is like extremely stable. Lena's comfortable in hers. Mom is good in hers. Bella is a little bit unstable in hers. We're gonna go around and check out how she does paddling a little bit and go from there. So good job, Bella, keep going. Good job, Lena. Good job, Mommy. Let's go, Mom. What are you waiting for?
Watching every movement.
Full speed ahead. How you doing, Belle? So what do you think?
It's
A little wobbly? Are you getting a little bit used to it though? Looks like you're going a little bit faster. We gotta stay away from the fishing lines over there. So we gotta go out here. Come on, guys. So I just gotta say, guys, this kayak, this Advanced Angler 120, this thing is amazing. I mean, the stability on this is just, I can't even believe it. I stood up in it earlier. I'm gonna stand up again shortly, but I mean, there's like, I feel like you could do anything in here. It's just so stable and there's so much room, and the only problem I'm having is that it's tracking a little bit funny. But other than that, this thing is awesome. Couldn't be more happy. Lena's doing pretty good in her Lifetime Blitz. Mommy likes her Tamarack. Or no, it's a Lifetime Daylight. But Bella's is a little bit wobbly. So we're gonna see how she does the rest of the time, and we may be exchanging that one. But we'll see. Alright guys, First cast. No problem. Oh. Shit. Don't panic. Lena, come back. Bella fell out. Just hang on, Bella. Just stay there. Guys, just stop. Wait.
She was going a couple times and she caught herself and she lost it.
Well, I see the belly slide thing work. I don't think it's even possible for her to get back on besides where she's at.
The legs are really cold.
So yeah, jump in the front, Belle. So you're not gonna be able to walk.
No, knee. Go up on your knees and then jump on that. Slowly.
You gotta pull it to you. Belly. Stay low. Stay low. All right.
Put her.
Do you have the
Yep.
Do you have the tow line already on it?
I do. I don't have it attached to here.
How'd that feel, Bella? Oh,
There's nothing to attach this.
Here, unhook this paddle.
Unhook it.
Yeah, I'll put it on mine.
Oh, she can paddle.
Do you want a paddle, Belle? Keep your body temperature working. Don't lose it.
It's pretty warm.
There's definitely numbers. So what's our official review of it?
So, our official review is that the Lifetime Wave 60 is not a good children's kayak.
I didn't mean to hit you.
Lena.
Am I attached correctly or I can't see?
Yeah, you look like you're alright. It'll follow you. It's not going anywhere. It's not like it's gonna sink or anything. Alright, are we going back in? Okay. Yeah, then we can put hers away, then she can ride with me.
And I think she'd be better in the back.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, we'll get it.
What have we learned? What else have we learned? Don't panic.
Don't
This
panic.
is why we have paddle leashes. And this is why we have a tow line.
Yes. And this is why we have my kayak.
The rescue boat.
The rescue boat. Like I said, guys. Ooh.
You did good.
I didn't
Alright.
panic. I was just like
It was cold, right? It's very...
Oh, you're going.
I know, I got it. So how did that feel, Belle, when you fell in?
cold.
Cold? Was it scary?
Yeah.
But you kept your cool. And the biggest thing is when you panic, you're using up all your energy, and you're trying to do something that if you just calmed down a little bit and took your time, you might be able to do it. But when you're panicking and you're just trying, you're wasting all your energy, and that's what gets you in trouble. So that's why it was good for you to wait for me to come over, and this is a good kayak, so we can both fit in here no problem. Yeah, guys, so this is just awesome. I can't even believe this guy. It's like nothing's in it right now, and the stability is so good. I could have both the kids in here, no problem. So I'm super happy with this kayak. What do you think, Mom? You glad we got this one?
I'm thrilled we got that one. It already earned its keep.
All right. Yeah. So let's get us back in, get Bella dried off, and then we'll figure out what we're doing. All right. Hey, Will. All right. I'm gonna stand up.
Huh?
I'm gonna stand up, okay? Stay still. Standing up with Bella in the boat. It's a little bit more rocky than it was, but it's when you stand up, the secondary stability is really good. So even when you lean over, as long as you keep your knees bent, it's fine. So I'm gonna make a cast. See how that is. Stand up. Make a cast. Standing up in the Advanced Angler 120 with Bella in the back of the boat. Really no problem. Still feel very much stable. Awesome kayak, guys. Can't even express how freaking awesome this kayak is. Can't even believe it. I love it. I love it. Water's like glass. It's beautiful. Beautiful day out today. What do you think, Bella? I don't know.
Can you tip over and see how it feels?
Look, guys, I'm walking on water. Go fast.
So, any guesses as to where I might be right now? As if testing out the kayak with Isabella and Zachary on it was enough, we're gonna go with both of us on it. We've lost our minds. But so far, so good.
No problem.
How's it steering?
It really doesn't feel like anything.
And I'm actually really comfortable. I mean, I'm sitting full length in the back and I'm pretty tall, so this is amazing.
I don't feel unstable at all.
We're just so graceful, Zachary.
We're gonna test it. We're gonna test it.
I don't even have to look behind me. I'm sure he's standing up right now. I don't even want to see it.
Two full-size adults. Advanced Angler 120. Still able to stand and fish.
Probably the best purchase we've ever made. So after our fishing and not catching any fish, and then deciding we were going to add some kayaking to our day, we've made it through the day, going with the flow. So thanks for tuning in to Family Life Outdoors, and what a better way to finish the day than with a big fire in our backyard. We hope you liked what you saw, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Go with the flow.